Your CA final exam is going to start from 5th of Jan, and the worst part is that it is during the new year. And I know many of you have already planned your new year celebration. Yes or no? If you have done that, let me be very clear, you are committing a big mistake of your life. New year will come every year, but this exam will not wait for your new year celebration. Before I give you 5 days plan for CA final financial reporting paper, I want one commitment from you all. You will celebrate your new year after the exam, not before it. Just few days of sacrifice and your entire year will become a celebration. It is a deal from your side, the commitment from your side. And if you are committed to this, just comment in the comment box that you are committed to it, and you will celebrate your new year only after the exam. Now coming to the 5 days plan for CA final financial reporting paper. When I say 5 days, this will be your last revision plan for financial reporting paper. Am I right or not? This revision plan will be your last revision plan for your entire life. You are not going to revise FR now again after this revision. Am I right or not? But for that, discipline required, focus required, commitment required. Already you are committed. Now only you have to bring discipline and focus in your life. Okay. This 5 days revision plan will commence from 31st of December. 31st December being the last day of this year. No celebration, only focus, only study. Already you are committed to that. Now before I start the 5 days revision plan, I want one more commitment from your side. I want that you need to study 12 to 15 hours per day. Minimum 12 hours, maximum 15 hours. If you can study 12 hours per day, 12 into 5, 60 hours, believe me, if you can give 60 hours to FR preparation, no one can stop you to score good marks in financial reporting paper. You can see on the screen the last 5 days plan for CA final financial reporting for Jan 2026 exam. What I have done for you, I have divided the entire days in 4 parts. First 12 hours study, second 6 hours sleep, third 3 hours all other necessary work including food etc. And the last 3 hours surplus. The surplus means just try to understand if you are not able to complete in any day your target in 12 hours of study, then this surplus hour will be used to complete your target. Means every day you need to complete your target and then only go for sleep. This is also one commitment already you have given to me. 12 hours of study minimum commitment means if you think that you are going to study 12 to 15 hours, then only you can study. Otherwise, it is impossible to study for 12 to 15 hours. First, you think, yes, this is my last revision for my entire life. Then only you can take that pain. The maximum is the pain, the maximum you will get the gain. Got this point? Now coming to the discussion of 5 days plan for CA final financial reporting paper, what I have done, I have designed the plan in such a way that you can revise the big chapter twice. And I have also allocated a number of hours required for each chapter so that you don't give more hours to any chapter. Really, this plan is going to be beneficial for your exam if you follow this. This PDF you can download from my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel. The link of the channel is given in the description of this particular video. Okay. Now let us come to the first day, that is 31st December. You can see I have allocated 3 chapters on 31st day. Very simple chapter. Start with the simple chapter. Don't start with consolidation of financial instrument chapter. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. So first chapter will be share-based payment. Second, lease and all the asset-based Ind AS. All the asset-based Ind AS means 16, 2, 38, 40, 23, 36, 105 and 41. Share-based payment chapter 3 hours I have given. Lease 3 hours and all the asset-based Ind AS 6 hours. You can see it is coming 12 hours and surplus how much? 3 hours. So if you are not able to complete, if you want to practice more questions of this chapter, you can use this surplus hour. Got this point? Yes, sir. If you want to sleep. But 12 hours minimum study is required. Okay, done. Then coming to 1st Jan will be little heavier. In this, I have given consolidation, business combination, and Ind AS 21. Consolidation I have given 6 hours. Of course, consolidation is covering all Ind AS. Ind AS 110, Ind AS 111, Ind AS 28, Ind AS 27. Business combination, of course, 5 hours is sufficient to cover business combination. Ind AS 21, 1 hour. Once again, 3 hours surplus. To practice more question if you want, if you are not able to complete target, this 3 hours surplus can be used. Okay, yes, sir. Then on 2nd Jan, I have given financial instrument. Okay, for that I have given 6 hours. Then EPS Ind AS 33, this time very important question may be asked. And employee benefit 1.5, cash flow statement 1.5 hours, and once again surplus 3 hours. chalega. Then on third Jain, the most difficult, I always say Ind AS 105 because it is a chapter which require more retention. I have given at the end because if you do Ind AS 105 at the beginning, it is quite possible you may forget again. But it's meant because it is theory based, more contents are there. So Ind AS 105, do on third Jain, hours I have given 5 hours. Correct. With that, do all the balance Indias, small, I will say all the small Indias do in a quick basis. Indias 1, 8, 10, 20, 24, 34, 37, 113, 108. These are the Indias which are important from examination point of view, but this can be revised in a quick basis. These are the Indias which does not require the solving of much question. It requires only the recap of content. I will say in this India, do less question, more revision, more retention of the content. Okay, sir? Yes, sir. Then, of course, one more chapter is there, that is India's 12. So, for all the small Indias, I have given 5 hours. For India's 12, I have given 2 hours. 1 second surplus, our 3 hours is there. You can practice more question, or if you are not able to complete the target, you can use this surplus hour. Now, coming to the last day of revision, that is 4th of Jan. You can see in 4th of Jan, I have given all the theory chapters, including Ind AS 101. We all know that Ind AS 101 and theory chapters are not so much important from examination point of view, but you know ICAI is known for unexpected question exam. Why to do selective study if you have time? This time, no to selective study. Revise all chapters, whether it is important, not important, expected, unexpected. You need to cover entire syllabus. 100% coverage should be your motive. Correct? So what I have done, I have given Ind AS 101 2 hours and conceptual framework, professional ethical duties, accounting and technology, analysis of financial statement, Ind AS introduction. I have given 5 hours. Out of this, analysis of financial statement is always important. Correct? Yes, sir. Then whatever hours left, revise all the big chapters. You can see, suppose you can revise all this chapter in less number of hours, you have sufficient time to revise all the big chapter. When I say big chapter, it means consolidation, business combination, tier-based payment, financial instrument, and including lease and Ind AS 105 if you can do that. Revise again. When I say revise, now don't practice any question. Revise the adjustment, content, means what are the concept behind that. If you recap 1 second all the concept big chapter, believe me, it will help you in exam. So this 8 hours you can use to revise all the big chapter. Now come to the last day. Last day means exam day on 5th of Jan. Your exam will commence from, the exam is going to start. What is the time? 2 to 5. Of course, you leave for your exam hall on 1 p.m. It means before 1 p.m. you have revision time. Use this time. I think you can, of course, have 4 to 5 hours. These 4 to 5 hours you can easily use for all the expected question, including RTP. Expected question given by me. Revise all the question, means wherever you feel this question may be tricky, it is a good quality of question, revise that question again, going to help you in exam. Sometimes whatever you revise on last day, same to same question will come in exam and you will save time for reading the question. This last time revision, the question, specific question is very important. Revise all the expected question, how much you can revise, then cover at least, if you have not covered RTP, do all the new question of RTP of last 3 attempts, including current year attempt. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Now, all the free resources, you all know that my expected question and other free resources, if you want that, it will be available in my Telegram channel as well as in my WhatsApp channel. The link has been given in the description of this particular video. Join that Telegram channel for all the updates. I hope this video is going to help you. Just message in the comment box whether you are committed to study for 12 to 15 hours or not, whether you are committed to score good marks in CA final financial reporting paper or not. From your point of view, this is your last revision or not. Yes, sir. All the best for your exam. Bye bye. Love you all.